ABB's integrated error handler helps the operator to quickly recover from a weld error and bring the robot back in production. In a perfect world, production runs seamlessly and without interruption. However, in reality, we may occasionally run into production stops due to shortage of consumables or other unforeseen problems. After a weld error has happened, the operator is prompted by a message on the flex pendant and can order the robot to escape to its home position along a collision-free path. The robot reaches the service pocket, where the operator can visually inspect the torch and perform maintenance. By a click of a button, the robot returns to the weld location and automatically restrikes the arc. The integrated error handler provides an efficient recovery process through multiple choices, and it does not require any additional path programming. Altogether, ABB's integrated error handler ensures increased uptime and better performance of your arc welding robot.